you doing? What are you doing? Look at that face. Kitty. Kitty. Oh, your Papa Kitty, you're so cute. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some of the super cute purchases I've been making on eBay because I've been bored and I've been buying a lot of stuff on eBay. And it's going to be really fun and exciting. So yeah, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. And let's get started! So, I made a lot of jewelry purchases on eBay recently. And the first thing I got, and they're already starting to tangle, is this Juicy Couture bracelet. It's crystal-y, see? And kawaii and sparkly. You can hold it really close to the camera and then it doesn't focus. So that's the little crystal necklace. A bracelet. I thought it actually was a necklace when I bought it, and then I read the thing on the internet. The listing, the eBay listing, the thing on the internet. And it said bracelet, but I thought it said necklace because I'm a wackaboo. But it's really cute. And yeah, I thought you guys would like to see that. And then two other heart-shaped pieces of jewelry I bought was this crystal vintage necklace. Oh my gosh, it's falling on one side. Hold on. Okay. Little crystal vintage necklace. It's super sparkly. Ooh, what the? Okay. Well, there you go. If you hold crystal up to the camera, your face goes, ooh. So yeah, I got this super cute crystal heart necklace, and that one came in the same listing with this heart-shaped locket. Let me hold it up close to you. It says, I love you. Can't read it because it's bad focusing. But yeah, so two little Victorian-esque heart necklaces. And then I bought some Kuma kawaii things. I bought these keychains. I have a few more around my room, but it's just Kuma as a kitten cats. And I thought that was super sweet and cute. Look at her little heart. So yeah. Yep. And we're getting through this. Yep. I got a new little plant. You want to see my plants? Yeah, let's do that. This is Roger and Dicky, this plant. And then this is my new plant. What should I name my new indoor plant, you guys? Tell me in the comments below. Anyway, yeah. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you all later. Bye! And now I must put all of these little charms back. Yep. Diddly-dee.